welcome back. My name is Amber Emily if you've been here before, and if not, welcome for the first time. You saw the thumbnail, you know why you're here. Red everything, red hair and red eyebrows to match. I just match my red hair and eyebrows all the time. It's one of my most favorite things to do. This is what Maykayla looks like straight out the pack. She does have soft lace and she comes with a few baby hairs. I don't know if y'all can see that. She comes with a few baby hairs and she comes with the side part. She is gorgeous. Like, I don't even need to do, y'all look at that. I don't even need to do anything to bump it or anything. So I'm going to cut the lace and do some baby hairs. People that are new to my channel, yeah, baby hairs. We just been trying to work this thing out for the longest and it's a steady going process. I just finished the baby hairs and I have taken off my eyebrows that I had on earlier. Two things about baby hairs. They're sisters, not twins, and it's all about the length. Okay, so there are 3 ways you can do red eyebrows. You can use the red eyeshadow, you can use red lip liner, or you can use red liquid lipstick. My favorite are the lip liner lipstick just because you get more pigmentation, you get more of the red color to pop without having to do too much. So I have a e.l.f. duo brush. It has a spoolie on one side, an angle brush on the other side. So I'm going to be using the Saharan by Juvia's Place, and I'm going to be using this color Sokoto, excuse me. And then I'm going to be using the Warrior 3 by Juvia's Place, and I'm going to be using the color Jarwa, this one right here. I'm going to go with my angled brush, and you're going to do the underbrow just like you would a pencil, and then you're just going to fill it in. And then you want to brush it up so that it evenly gets through. And I have thick eyebrows, thank you Gene Pool, so it takes a little bit more work to get it in there. So this is what you get with your eyeshadow. Takes a little bit more work, takes a little bit more application just because it is shadow. It's a little bit, it's powder. I'm gonna jump over to the Warrior 3 palette. I'm gonna go into that darker red, the Jarwa. Just keep sculpting. First you would go in and clean that up with concealer. Liner from Revlon. It's in the color Ruby. So you're just gonna line it, the bottom, and already you can see the pigment, and then you just brush it through, short strokes, fill it in, at one time. Then I go back in with my spoolie, and I just brush. It just covers up all of my black/brown hairs. And then I go back in with my spoolie. So this is eyeshadow. I'll see what that gives. And this is liner. And it took half the time, a couple strokes in there, and then my eyebrows are red. They're ready to go. Forest red cream lip stain. My same spoolie and my ankle brush. So I'm just gonna put some on my hand. I dip it in there. I'm gonna line the bottom. Don't worry about the extra. And then I'm going to lightly brush it up. Brush it up through the brows. Don't worry about the extra. So I go in and clean it up with my concealer. Gonna do the other side. Show you again, a little bit on the back of my hand. I know it looks crazy right now, but trust me. We're gonna go in and we're gonna clean it up. And there we have it. They look like something now. Okay, and same thing about eyebrows as baby hairs. They are sisters, not twins, so they're not gonna be identical. And I always had like this really great eyebrow. Look at that. Amazing, the best, like the best arch, the best form, everything. You get over here and it's like, not as good. But they're sisters. And this sister just needs a little bit more work. A little more help. This is my wife, she just needs a little bit more work. Everything on the face is red except for lashes, and I think they can say black. Thank y'all so much for watching. My name is Amber Emily. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that bell notification so you know when I get my next video in, you'll be the first one to see it. Thank you so much.